Abang langsung pintu abang yang lano ni.
No.
Abang yang lano ke phone tu explain
Okay,
tu
okay,
abang.
it's just a prank. It's a prank. It's a
Perang
prank.
yuk
It's a
ta.
prank. Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So as I have said that in the previous video, I have said right that I'll prank my boyfriend. So because he have twice, he pranked me twice, so now it's my turn to prank him now. So I am going to tell him that like he will ask me some questions, and can you see boyfriend and ex-boyfriend, so he will be asking me some question. Okay, so when he asks me the question, I will I will I will ring only this one because it's my ex-boyfriend. If he asks me any question like whom do I love the most, whom do I like the most, I'll always choose my ex-boyfriend. So let's start the video. Now here he came. Hello baby. Take it.
Ni.
You ask me some question, okay? You ask me the question, some question, so that I can answer you. Take.
Wait. Ni.
Okay. Let's start.
So, hi guys. Dia. Film lah.
Ex-boyfriend, ex-boyfriend. Like pinkali yang aki question kumna, dan long pinkali question yang dan kan sa tan kan kini kan ba fikali deh like komentar for example fikali like about my long but no no pi bah no pi le kum tam fikali kata dan ngan choose kan ya fine ya ne ex-boyfriend ya boyfriend
Ni di jom.
boyfriend ni dia ex-boyfriend ngan choose kan. Okay. Stupid. Okay, start.
Pi aku juga lang jom pi comeback. Mungkin bakal yin mata. Pi comeback yang ane ya ex boyfriend.
Melang
Comeback.
Kempes.
Lama best kena pi ma balang battery tapi treat good di pi ma. Comeback ni.
Obviously, I would pick this one.
Bruh.
Comeback satu.
Yeah, he treat me better than you.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
He's the first one, right? So he treat me.
Kam handsome no kam handsome tu na handsome mana.
Handsome.
Handsome tu tu belum yang butuh beli yang apa apa.
I like that. Honest mo, but I wish answer honest.
Apa yang handsome tu? Kau pi try nga apa handsome tu?
I'm all of you feel handsome. Feel handsome tamba. Ning kong de hanga pada de kam handsome tu pada.
Comeback dakis sangane comeback dakis ex boyfriend jom pi. Labi yang ni kali ke tang tu bet.
Siya na sobang ban Chris betul dah.
Thật miam tang su tu bet.
No, kam sobang, di bang sobang. Like feeling kadang feeling deh. Because kumtaan first love deh, don't be a feeling.
Te sekui kalong ba kam take care ba ngane kam take care ba ex tong pina.
Tiga.
Biang. Tang tu
Apa
tu
tiga? overtake it.
What do you mean by that?
Okay.
เจพี่โซบังได้เล็ดไก่ปัดงานเนี่ยสุวรรณเล็ดไก่ปัดแอ็กซ์จงพี่นะAbang Jet itu kan bakal ngajib itu
No, dia bukan baju itu. Dia apa? Dia kan betul am. Apa sah?
Bas beli tu Nanti kita
Nama apa? Pih juga ni ada. Tu pada ni ada. Pih pada ni ada yang ada. Tu pada juga akhir ni ada. Akhir dia. Kalau bas, bas tambah ngam bas ni ada.
Pencit yang kan ya si itu dah
Honest mah. I'm honest. I'm just honest. Apa?
Tuang nong las kan dia mah Kali las kan dia Pi gua ke future jom pi gua bangan ne gua bang papengan butuh ek jom pi na Good.
Very tough question. Boyfriend, ex-boyfriend, boyfriend, ex-boyfriend. So I'll choose. Don't tap anymore. Harus di tap.
Kikin dia butuh Yang nadu mana sujud itu boleh apa nadu mana dah keling abas tu tayalang butuh kan nyalam lebih mana
Nga honest. Kalau honest nga kayak ibu fikirin dulu mana yang batai hok mana yang batai tak lah. Game.
Awak sih nadu mana saja tu ex tayalang nadu tu ex phone na mentah hi phone tu ex pe angan kuai lang me pe
Anak move on.
pi kan panang boleh ngan dulu ex ngane ex tu deh
Tanah move on dah. It's just a game. Masuk jet boleh bakal ide tu baik macam si sama.
Ada song pintu sedang phone pintu ex pe sedang ya
Okay, sorry.
boleh abang sedang song pintu abang jalan noi
No.
abang jalan noi ke phone tu ex pe nadu
Okay,
mana
it's
abang
just a prank.
Prank juga tak?
It's a prank. Thằng phim này game thằng ba sao phim là cái thằng lúc bay ki view cho cái là ki bay ba cho cái ba ngan prank cái phim mà balik phải prank twice. And cái question mà phi kali em ta cầm tay ex mà đi phi barap niya. So guys, malayo man prank imita andildom bhaya. He was about to break up with me. Oh God, I was so scared when he got angry at me, because he used to beat me, So I want to ask you sorry and thank you for coming. And I told you guys, right, that I'll prank him. One day I'll prank him. Now I got a chance, so why to let him go? Please support me.
Orang tay layo bantang tapi dia dah mah kapol kadang buan Pi kapol kadang buan yang ngar kapol kadang buan te ngasayo yang ngin nang kersan ma pi ki bapai gani video kersan ma pi agi jeng kersan share gani video sa ki parlo jong pi kana bangin yo an plus bun ki video telong kana bangin yo ini re yo ban perang ngasibun ngarang yo ban perang isibun tangum tahi ko please ko mapla
Do like, share and subscribe.